Good morning, children. Last day we have studied about minerals. So, minerals are naturally occurring substances which have definite chemical compositions. We have already studied. These minerals are classified into two. They are metallic and non-metallic. So what is meant by metallic minerals? Metallic minerals contains metals in it. Means when we melt it, we can make a new product from that. This is called the metallic minerals. So non-metallic minerals means when we melt, we cannot make another product from that or new product from that. This is called non-metallic minerals. Gravel, sand, marble are example for non-metallic minerals. So you have understood that what is meant by metallic minerals, what is meant by non-metallic minerals. Again, these metallic minerals can be classified into ferrous and non-ferrous. What is the meaning of ferrous minerals? In ferrous, the ferrous minerals are those minerals which contains iron in it. Non-ferrous minerals are those minerals which do not contain iron. So we studied about metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals, ferrous minerals, non-ferrous minerals. So these things we were studying. Today, let us learn distribution of minerals. Yesterday I told you, minerals are distributed in different unevenly distributed. Yesterday I told you. Minerals are unevenly distributed. What do you mean by uneven? Unevenly distributed means it is distributed. Minerals are distributed in different areas. In all areas it is not equally distributed. Different countries of the world, minerals are concentrated. For example, you take Asia. Different types of minerals are found in Asia. Copper, bauxite, many things are available in Asia. You take India. India is having more coals, thorium, uranium, many chemicals, minerals are there in India. India is one of the country in Asia. Like you go to Europe. In Europe also many kinds of minerals are found. Iron ore is Europe is a leading producer of iron in the world. More iron ore deposits are there. Then you go to North America. North America is the largest number of minerals. Minerals there because of those deposits of minerals. Iron ore is more there. Like in many number of minerals are there available in North America. When we go to South America, where South America is the leading producer of silver in the world. Then when we talk about Africa, Africa is having more gold. Many metals are there in Africa. Like Australia, even Antarctica is having more minerals. So this is the reason why minerals are distributed in particular place. Minerals are not found in a particular place. Minerals are distributed in different areas. So these minerals are distributed. As these minerals are distributed in different areas, one country definitely should depend on other country. Petroleum is a mineral. We already studied yesterday. Petroleum is not that much abundantly available in India. Petroleum is available in Gulf countries. These are already we studied. So when we study the distribution of minerals, we should understand that mineral is not distributed equally in different countries. It is unevenly distributed. It is unevenly distributed in different countries. So when we come to the extraction of minerals, where these minerals are found? Minerals are found in earth. Usually minerals we dig out from the earth. So उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, we say that extraction of minerals. What is the mean by extraction of minerals? Extraction means digging out minerals from the earth. So this extraction of minerals from the earth is called mining. बोलता है. We say that mining. M-I-N-I-N-G. Mining. The extraction of minerals from the earth is called mining. You know, if the minerals are found on the surface of the earth, we can say that we can easily dig it out. You know, we can easily dig it out. हम लोग जल्दी उनको निकाल सकता है. When if it is found on the surface of the earth. But if it is the minerals which are found on the surface of the earth is called quarrying. This kind of mining is called quarrying. इसको quarrying बोलता है. So what is mean by mining? Mining means digging out of minerals from the earth. Digging out of minerals from the earth is called mining. So what is the meaning of quarry? Quarry means if the minerals are found in the surface of the earth. If it is found in the surface of the earth, we can easily dig it out. No problem. So we can say that quarrying. So one more is, so we say that mining or quarrying. Q-U-A-R-R-Y-A-N-G. Quarrying. Next, if the minerals are found in a shallow depth means ज़्यादा depth नहीं है, थोड़ा सा means after the surface of the earth. After the surface of the earth. After the surface of the earth means we have to remove the surface soil and we should take it out. We should dig it out. उसको बोलता है. For that we can say that open cast mining. Open cast mining. Open cast mining. So what is mean by open cast mining? If the minerals are found in shallow depth. Shallow depth means उतना नहीं है, गिरट नहीं है, ज़्यादा नहीं है. वहाँ ऐसा मिनरल्स रहे तो हम लोग वो ऊपर वाला मिट्टी निकाल के उसमें से हम लोगों को निकालना पड़ेगा. उसको बोलता है क्या? ओपन कास्ट माइनिंग. So what is mean by mining? Simple mining. What is mean by quarrying? What is mean by open cast mining? One more is there. What is called shaft mining. Shaft mining means shaft mining means see, when mining is from the great depth. From the mining is from the great depth. What we should do? We cannot go inside the earth. Then in this situation, what we should do? We have to make a tunnel or we have to make a shallow to go to inside of the earth. This kind of mining is called shaft mining. So we studied about what is the meaning of shaft mining. Shaft mining means if the depth is so great, means ज़्यादा नीचे जाना है तो वो मिनरल्स निकालने के लिए हम लोग को बहुत नीचे जाना है तो अंडरग्राउंड में जाना है तो उसके लिए क्या करना, हम लोग टनल बनाना है। वो टनल बना के उसी वो द्वार से हम लोग अंदर जाना पड़ेगा। सो उसको बोलता है क्या, शाफ्ट माइनिंग। सो माइनिंग, क्वारिंग, ओपन कास्ट माइनिंग एंड शाफ्ट माइनिंग। माइनिंग, क्वारिंग, ओपन कास्ट माइनिंग एंड शाफ्ट माइनिंग। सो शाफ्ट माइनिंग means when we dig out the minerals from the earth, we have to if the shallow depth, if the depth is so shallow, if the depth is so great, what is the mean great? If the depth is so great, means बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा है और ज़्यादा नीचे जाना है तो हम लोग क्या करना, हम लोग ऊपर वाला सोइल हमारे हटा देना। We have to remove the surface soil. Again we have to make a tunnel to go inside. So when we go over to tunnel and then after we have to mine. So this is called shaft mining. So what is the meaning of shaft mining? Shaft mining means if the depth is so great, if the depth is so large, we have to remove or we have to make a tunnel to reach over there. This is called shaft mining. So here we have studied different methods of mining. Mining, simple mining means digging out minerals from the earth. Quarry means, what is the meaning of quarry? If the minerals are found in the surface of the earth, we can easily dig out from the soil. So this is called quarrying. Or open cast mining means if the minerals are concentrated or located in a shallow depth. So what we should do? We have to remove the surface soil and we have to remove the surface soil and dig out such a minerals. So इसको बोलता है कि open cast mining. So this is called open cast mining. Shaft mining means we have to make a tunnel for digging out the minerals. So mining, quarrying, open cast mining and shaft mining. So these are the different methods of extracting minerals. Next topic I will come in with the next video.